Lines in 3, 2, 1, go.
We are off in this qualification match number 31. Already human players launching fuel from their stockpiles as Ace makes their way to the middle of the field and back to their alliance zone, pouring as much fuel as they can into their hub from their robot as time winds down in this autonomous period. All three red robots have formed a cluster formation on their side of the field, seeing if they can launch more fuel from their robots into their hub. As we kick things off, we have a score of 25-15 for our Blue Alliance. This means our Red Alliance will have the first offensive shift once things transition right now for them. Red Hub is now active. Red Robot Edwardsville Technology shuttling as much fuel as they can to their side of the field, collecting some, met with the Robo Bills from the Blue Alliance, playing some defense on them as they work to score fuel into their hub. Blue Robot 5823 shuttling fuel with their robot over to the blue side of the field, putting that into their hopper and preparing for the change in shift that happened just now. Blue Hub is active. Ace is aware. They are putting as much fuel as they can from their robot into their hub while their alliance partners corral more fuel to them to make it easier for them to score as they work through all the fuel currently on their side of the field. A little bit of a skirmish happening in the middle of the field between the Robo Bills and Edwardsville Technologies as they squabble to see who can claim fuel for their alliance. Things have changed as a red offensive shift has begun. We have 111.95 shooting fuel out of their robot into their hub. Defense being played by the Robovilles, seeing if they can knock their shots offline. 10 Factorial taking advantage of the defense, shifting to their alliance partner, launching fuel as they can into their hub as well. We have another shift change back over on the blue side of the field. We have Ace evacuating their hopper, putting as much fuel as they can into their hub, and now collecting more fuel that their alliance has stockpiled from their floor to see if they can put more in as time winds down in their offensive shift. 35 seconds remaining. Our score is 94 and climbing for the Blue Alliance to 45 for our Red Alliance. Now in the end game period, Ace putting more fuel up into their hub. Robobills rejoin the fray on the Blue Alliance side of the field. We have some defense being played in the middle of the field. We have 111.95 coming over to see if they can disrupt that Blue Robot Ace from scoring more fuel while their alliance partners collect fuel and shoot at the hub and also supply some to their human players to score as well. 5 seconds remaining in our match. Our score is 155 and climbing for the Blue Alliance to 53 for our Red Alliance. Just after this, we'll have a final score as we continue through our qualification match schedule. We have our score, and it's the Blue Alliance winning this one. Blue Alliance with a score of 173 to 53. Congratulations to our Blue Alliance. They will earn 3 ranking points for their match victory and another ranking point for having put more than 100 fuel into their hub. No ranking points scored by our Red Alliance teams, but valiant efforts from all teams in our match as we prepare for qualification.